morning. Today we're headed over the snowy range on the way to Laramie. We're going to do one more radio site this afternoon. We've got some errands in the Laramie area, so we're going to get to that. So let's see what we can see going over the snowy range. Should be awesome. It's kind of interesting. This is a gigantic thunderhead, as you see, and you see the rain's coming down, but you notice it gets lighter and lighter and lighter. That's called virga, where the moisture actually evaporates before it hits the ground. We are off the main Highway 130 now. And Greg, who lives near here, we are on the back original Snowy Range Road. This road, I suspect, takes us down to Centennial, yes?
It does.
And so this should be a real treat. It's a maintained road, but we're not seeing a lot of traffic yet. I would imagine most people don't take it. So let's see what we see along the way here. The original Snowy Range Road. Kind of interesting road here. We see a lot of growth around the road. It's not really wide. Greg was just telling me that many a Model T have come up on this road and crossed over the snowy range. Lots of little switchbacks. You ever had your Model T up here, Greg?
Never had it up here.
No, Greg's got a really nice 1926 Model T in pristine shape with a 2-speed Ruxtol rear end. Look that up. You can get all the way up to what, 45 in that thing?
About 45.
About 45 on the flat. And he drives it around, and as you see, it's not really super wide road. Yeah, the road gets down to a 1-laner here. It's all right. We're not going all that fast. Not many people have even seen this road. You have now. Love the road sign.
Yeah. This is a pretty good switchback in here. Here's Barber Lake. Oh, it's empty. Oh, I've never seen it empty.
Really?
No.
Lack of water.
I don't know.
Is this the lake here on the left?
That's the lake.
Oh yeah, so this is interesting here now. This is Barber Lake. It is absolutely dry.
Where's the water?
Look at that. Absolutely no water in the lake. Wow, that's wild.
Yeah, I've never seen that empty.
Wow.
It'll start to look familiar in about 2 seconds.
Yeah, so we're coming out of the bottom of this road now. Town of Centennial is located down here at the bottom, I suspect. And just like that, we come right out here to the bottom of the new road. Very cool. Good detour, Greg, thanks. All right, we're back on Highway 130 here now. So we're just into the thriving metropolis of Centennial. Population 270 humans. Now, if you ever come down to Centennial, you've got to always watch out for the local law. It's really important. And they're on duty here all the time. Let me see if they're still here. Let's zoom in here. I bet you they are. Yep, there he is. He's hiding. See that? There's the local law. You better make sure that you do the right thing here. Well, here you go. We're almost at the center of this rainstorm. As you can see, the virga is really happening here. You can see the moisture. It's that gray part, and I doubt if there's anything even hitting the ground. And we're relatively close. I don't know, 5-10 miles maybe. But you can see there's not much rain hitting the ground here. It's just way too dry for that to happen. They need a bigger storm to overcome the dryness. All right, rain report. Some is very coming down here. We're almost underneath. It's hard to see on the video, but we're getting a few light sprinkles so far on the windshield. All right, rain update. As you can see, maybe the rain is slightly larger, but it's not larger in volume, just maybe a larger droplet. Well, that's it. No more rain for us. Somebody needs to get the weed eater out. We've made it to Laramie, Wyoming here. Gonna get something to eat and do a little errands and on the way to the mountaintop. Now that is a retro store. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's something new now, but when they built it originally, it looked like a service station or something. Kind of new, modern something. We just had a little lunch and now we're out on Interstate 80 again, headed up the hill west of Laramie. We're heading to the next site here.
Telephone Canyon.
Telephone Canyon. We've arrived here at the site in Laramie. As you can see, it's in a park, believe it or not. And it's a high spot along a ridge west of the city. And there's radio towers and things, as you can see here. Anyway, we better get to work, get our job done, and get the heck out of here. It looks like there's some weather there, and I think it may be coming this way. I don't know. Well, this thunderstorm's right over us, and guess what? Got some hail going on. It looks like the storm has found us here. It started out with some hail, now it's just big time rain. Lightning and thunder, and being at a radio site with all kinds of antennas here to catch the lightning is probably not so good. Greg's just doing the last couple things here and then we're going to hit the road. We are back on Interstate 80 heading back towards the ranch. Going to make a stop in Laramie. Got our job done here at the radio site. Got a little rain and hail and lightning. Anyway, we're mobile. We are just about ready to go over the snowy range. They had a big rainstorm, as you saw, and this is the remnants of it here now. Up on the hill there is a whole herd of wild horses. They're kept here in Wyoming around this farm. It might just be wet going over the snowy range. We're gonna see here. It is raining here on the snowy range. It's okay, everything needs the water. Just coming down the snowy range from Laramie, we got our radio job done. It was a good day. We got a little rain on us. And just a reminder, we're out doing work and I'm driving around with my buddy Greg. I am not in the Tesla. However, when I head home, I'll be driving the Tesla. But meanwhile, you get the benefit of seeing all this cool scenery everywhere we go here in Wyoming. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.